So we are here on the Betal Tekdi, Seminary Hills of Pune. And beside this Tekdi, we have a research center of automotive that is called RAI. And here is a bro, Manthan, who is trying to walk and looking like a tracker. We just lost our spot and we don't know where we are. So it's look like we are outside any jail or something, because it seems like a restricted zone. But the real name is Betal Tekdi. You can consider it also as a walker street. Means it's a walker street, walker zone or a jogging zone. He is trying to find the direction. Why? Because for today he is the navigator and I am the driver. But don't know where we are. It seems like where we. It's a restricted, totally restricted zone. I am feeling like now I will get fits. Totally restricted zone. I don't know what we will get next. We have a turn. Just calm down. Have a turn. Okay. And here we are. Oh, again haunted zone. Oh no. And we are behind the research center. So you can... Is it a center where vaccine for corona is being prepared? Just guess. It seems like we will have some trekking and we will lose our weight somewhat, not much, but let's... Oh my god, see this view, what a view! Is this a... What is this, man? What is this? Oh my god. Behind the research center, we totally have a haunted place. Oh, let's see the view, man. View. Will this type of view will get in our city? No, not at all. Oh my god. Oh, I can hear some sound also. Oh, just give me the direction to get out of this haunted place, man. Please, anyhow, somewhat clue to get out of this direction, out of this place. And we are here beside the blue sky, beautiful sky and the beautiful sun. We are in the haunted place and we are shimmering, getting the shimmering sound of like ghost. Oh my god. Again turn. Let's look what will be there on this turn. Oh no. Which turn should we take? Oh, it's like a broken tree. Are these trees like the trees we got to see in the Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban? No. Chamber of Secret? No. Is this a moving tree? Is this a haunted tree? लगता है सफर बहुत लंबा है, कितनी देर में हम दूरी तय करेंगे कुछ अता पता नहीं है, बट I can guarantee you the view of Pune city from this location is very beautiful. We'll have a look on this view also. Okay, I will show you the just a blurred view of Pune city, but after this I will show you the total scene of Pune, but it's not a full view, just a blurry. If you can see with your eyes. No, I can't see. Sorry, bye. It's getting very longer and longer, and I am getting sweater and sweater. But don't give me sweater. Sorry. Very long route. Very long route. Oh my God! Tree is getting down, fallen. Any other surprises here in this haunted place? No. Oh, I can see some of the buildings of the city. The tallest buildings. Be silent and hear this sound. Can you hear? Yeah, I can hear. And see this tree. Oh, what a view. Like two people are hugging each other. Oh, great. And here we are having the view of sunrise. The place is totally haunted. Beware, we are not in night, we are in daylight. Guess if we were in the night mode. My God, again. Arey na. Why there is no animal? Oh. Just a simmering sound. Finally we found the one animal. It's cow. No. What is? Buffalo? Oh my God. Finally we reached the Matoba Mandir, and we will have somewhat stairs to reach the Mandir. Guys, in between the haunted place, we have got the Mandir temple. Okay, some kids with the wood and stick. मातोबा मंदिर कुठे आहे? चालणार तुम्ही आमच्यासोबत?
आम्ही जाऊन आलो आता.
किती वरती आहे?
125 काहीतरी आहे सीड्या, माहित नाही.
फक्त मी चालून जाईल.
लय वरती.
हा?
आम्ही पण चालतच गेलो.
हो, चला.
आम्ही पण
चला.
चालतच गेलो. चालतच जायला.
Okay, heading towards the Matoba Mandir. As per the estimation, 125 stairs, but maybe less, maybe more. Now breathing getting difficult. Someone please help me to reach the above stairs. We'll try. Will he able to reach the stairs? Okay, let's see. He's trying. He is trying and he will. And yes, we reached. And yes, he reached. His condition after reaching so many stairs. And now here you can see the city. City with the sunset. Please, what a view. The clouds are going to cover the sun. Here you can see the city view. I will zoom remote. क्या होने वाला 25 दिन में? क्या ये शहर तबाह होगा? क्या ये शहर बच जाएगा? More clearer view from here. If I will unzoom it, it is very clear view. Pune city, the city of jobs, the city of education, the city of education. Just I captured.
दोघींना त्यांच्याकडे सोडून जायचे ना, अजूनही जातं वाटतं. त्यामुळे त्यांना कळतं की ही काय त्यांच्यामध्ये मध्ये केलं की त्या टाळ्या त्यांना कटकटी वाटायला लागतात आणि मग त्यांचे नात्या सांगत असतात 4 ठिकाणी. आता मी लावली, माझी ती लावली, ते पवार म्हणून केलिंगला झाले, तिच्याकडे ती सारख्या स्वयंपाकाला आता ही ती लावली, ती बदलणार.